This is a Ford Fiesta 1.6 2008 ZXi petrol model. So problem started with misfiring. So what we've done is had some bad experience with one of the bad automobile workshop. So we took it upon ourselves. So these are so we changed the 4 spark plugs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the new ones, we numbered them. Now what I discovered was that this second one is not working, so there is no current going into number 2, so I need to replace this ignition coil also. So bought the ignition coil today, but not get the original one, so we are going to replace this and hope it works.